Chris at the piano here with the second half of worksheet 5 for Chopin's Waltz in A minor, sometimes referred to as B150. We've done the ascending leap already where we move up to the chord. I now want to practice moving from the chord down to the first note of the next chord. So in the beginning of the waltz we're moving from an A minor chord down to a D2. So this is the one we're going to practice today. A minor would be in this position with the fifth finger on A going to the fifth finger on D2. So it's A3 to D2. Make sure you hit the note in the center and you get it right before you play a sound. A little pedal and off as soon as you play the bottom note. Now the next one is going from third finger on C to fifth finger on D2. So C4 to D2. A little pedal on the C and then take the pedal off when we get to the D. Now the third note of the chord of A minor is E4 here, and we're going to jump from playing the E4 to the D2. Little pedal on the E and then remove the pedal on the D. Good. Now we're moving to a chord, so we're going to play the minor third of A minor, the A to the C natural, and we're going to jump down to D2. So pedal on the chord and then pedal off when you play the D. Now the major third of the A minor chord, the C to the E, jumping down to D2. And then finally the full chord. Okay, let's have a go. In time, so we'll give it a 3 count and the pedal comes off on the bottom D each time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I would practice this exercise with my eyes closed as well, and equally I would practice it on all the different chord jumps used in the piece, moving from the chord of the third beat in the bar to the bass note that's on the first beat in the bar. Waltz depends on secure jumps, and once they're into place, then putting the piece together should not be a problem. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye for now.